Hello out there YouTube friends, I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Settle. Today it is a Stitch Fix day. So thank you so much for joining me in my channel today. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking me out. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for being here. Please feel free to subscribe, like, share, notification bell, all the good things. I'm still trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, I would greatly appreciate it. 1,000 seems to be like the magic number for whatever. So I'm still working on it. I'm at like 908, so I would love your support. Thank you so much. So Stitch Fix. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will have a description down in the description bar, as well as I will link a playlist. I think we'll put a playlist up here so that you can check out some previous Stitch Fixes that I have had. So my last Stitch Fix was pretty daggone good. So if you haven't seen that one, it will be in this playlist and I'll link it separately later on in the video. That was the one titled Lemons or Lemonade or something like that. I had a really cute lemon skirt in there and some yellow and some pretty spring colors. Anywho, all right. So let's get right to the bundle. Here is our pretty little bundle. I will say you do get a preview with Stitch Fix these days. You can choose up to 5 items. I did not choose all 5 items. I think I chose 2 maybe from the preview. One was this pair of shoes, so I'm excited about those. And then one was a dress. I do have 2 girls graduating from high school this year. 2 separate graduations, so I wanted 2 different dresses. Of course, right? It's such an excuse to get a dress. You will have your bundle, you will have an envelope. This will have your invoice in it, as well as, well, this is your invoice. Gives you the names of all of your items, the prices, and you do get a 25% off discount if you buy all of the items. And then this you will have in your envelope as well. This is your style cards. So they do give you some ideas and ways to style your clothing items. And then they do give you a little stylist note up here. I think I'll wait to read that one a little bit later whenever we do the wrap up. I will go through the prices when I do the wrap up. You guys will see the prices before I will, simply because I do like to put them down on the screen for you so that you can see as I'm trying them on how much they are and what exactly they are. Also in the description box, I will have listed everything that I had in my box so that if you want to request some of those items in your Stitch Fix, you can feel free to do that. I will also have in the description box a referral code. So that referral code is oftentimes good up to $25 to $50 depending on when you check out your Stitch Fix. You will get a $25 or $50 credit, as will I if you use the referral link. All right, so let's see what we have. We will start with the shoes. So these are just a cute pair of neutral sandals, just a nice chunky heel, very sturdy, cute brown, camel collared, leather. I think they're leather. They might be plastic. I don't know. It doesn't feel like leather. I mean, it feels comfortable. It just doesn't feel like a soft, you know, leather. So I'm excited about these. Again, very neutral. I think I could get a lot of use out of these. I don't have anything like these in my closet that I wear very frequently. I have a pair, but I'm not real crazy about them. All right, next items. Let's see what else we have. All right, so we have a floral. It's like a top here. Okay, so we have a cold shoulder floral. Black with some flowers. Looks like it has a strappy back there. And just a strappy and then a cold shoulder. Not real crazy about the cold shoulders anymore. I feel like those are kind of on their way out. So I'm not sure about that. It's a pretty print though. I will say that. And then we have... All right, so now we have a jumpsuit, or not jumpsuit, bodysuit. That's the word I'm looking for. Pretty purple collar. It's a lightweight sweater material. It does have that cute little bow there in the front, but it is definitely a bodysuit. It does have a snap here in the middle as well. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. Not sure that I'm the bodysuit type, but we'll try it. All right, and then we have a couple of dresses, it looks like. I know the green one is a dress because I chose that one. So here we have a purple floral, very pretty color. Very pretty purple floral. It does have, it looks like a tie waist. Yes, tie waist, V-neck or split neck. I mean, it's pretty. It's okay. Not sure if I'm loving, it might be a little too much for me. We'll see. All right, now I did really like this one. The picture anyway. Sometimes the pictures just don't do it justice, and I feel like the preview needs to give you more options. So like when you decide not to keep an item in your Stitch Fix, it asks you like why, if you dislike it, own something similar, or I don't know, there's a third option. But like there's not an option for I like it, but I don't really need it right now, or I would love to see this in a future box, or you know, I would love this in a different color, or something like that, that lets them know that yes, you like that item and it's cute, but you're not really what you're looking for right now. So I would love it if they would figure out how to incorporate some more feedback type of items in those preview options. Anyway, so here is a pretty green floral dress. I don't have anything in my closet like this. I think it's very, well actually I do. I have a green, it's kind of a shorter dress. And it has white flowers on it too. I was just thinking I don't have anything green, but I do, I got it last year. But this is really cute. It has this cute little knot here on the side. I will say it is an asymmetrical, I think that's the word that I'm looking for, hemline. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna love that or not, but we will give it a try and we will see. All right, that's our 5 items. Let's get to trying stuff on. Okay, so here we have the first top. Again, very pretty floral black. It is a cold shoulder. I guess that's what it's called. I mean, I don't know. It just has this tiny little spaghetti strap there, and then it comes off of the shoulder. I guess that's referred to as a cold shoulder. I know that typically the cold shoulders were not quite as bare across the top, so I don't know if that's the right terminology for this top or not, but I feel like the fit is very good. I do have a front tuck here. I like the print. I like the collar. Let me do a turnaround and then I'll do an untuck. So I feel like this is flattering. I think it would look cute. I just have it paired with a pair of jeans. And it is a little long, so I do feel like the front tuck is a cute look for it. I think it would look cute with shorts, with jeans. I think it would look cute with white or black. My yellow blazer that I bought in my last Stitch Fix, I'll link that up above like I told you guys I would. It is up above with the yellow blazer with the lemon skirt. So I'm not sure. I mean, I have mixed feelings. So I'll give you a better look at the neckline here. It just does kind of have a little boat neck. I did keep on my bra here. So you would need a strapless bra in order to wear this so that you didn't have the bra straps showing. Not sure if I love it that much. But it is a cute look and I feel like the fit is nice. And it's very summery. Would look very cute out at the beach or to a concert or something like that. All right, let's see what's up next. All right, so here we are with the first dress. So I am pleasantly surprised. I do like the way this looks on better than I liked it when I pulled it out of the box. I will say that. So purple is not a color that I have in my closet. Like, I think I have one t-shirt that's purple. It's not a color that I naturally gravitate toward. So I don't know, it's kind of pretty. I like it. I like the length. I like the sleeves. It has a little bit of a tulip sleeve there. The V-neck, split neck here is nice. The definition at the waist is good. And these are adjustable. These little tie drawstring things here are adjustable. So let me do a quick turnaround and then I'll come a little bit closer so that you can see the details. So you can see it is a very pretty deep purple with some other deep purples and pinks blended in there with the floral. You can see the cute little tulip sleeve. I think that's adorable. We have this little split neck that just gives you a little bit of skin there. And then you have the defined waist here with the drawstring. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I've got mixed feelings. Of course, I don't know how much it is at this point, but it is a contender, I will say that. It is fully lined as well. This would be cute. I could wear this to work. I could also wear this just casually on the weekends, at the beach, or whatever. So let me know what you think. All right, let's try on the green one. So I forgot to tell you I had on the shoes. So here you have the sandals. They are very comfortable. There's not much padding there in the sole of the sandal. So, I mean, they wouldn't be great for walking long distances or anything like that. But of course, the block heel does help that a little bit. The straps are secure across the top and across the ankle. They're not too tight though. There is a zipper on the back that's how you get it on and off. And there is also some elastic there on that ankle strap to give you a little bit of movement. They are comfortable. They're not rubbing at all. These are very good, true to size, a very cute, natural, neutral collared shoe that could be worn with a lot of things. So I like these as well. Again, I think these are a little pricey. I might be able to find these a little bit cheaper somewhere else or something similar somewhere else. So, but if this is something that you're looking for, these are definitely very cute, very versatile, and very comfortable. Okay, so here we have our next dress. This is the green and white. It does have a cute little knot here that gives some coverage here in the stomach area, which I like. It does have the split here, but the split comes over to this side, so it's not, you know, if I were to sit down, cross my legs, things like that, it wouldn't show too much leg. It does have a little bit of a V-neck. It is a spaghetti strap, so you would have to wear a strapless bra with this as well. I want to say that the straps are adjustable, but I can't remember. I don't think I specifically looked. So anyway, I don't know. I've got mixed feelings about this one. Like, it's not a silhouette that I'm used to wearing, but I do like it. I don't feel like it's clingy. It is a very comfortable material. It feels like it's just like a cotton blend type of material. I don't mind the asymmetrical hemline there. I think that gives it a cute little detail. And I have it on with the nude collared shoes, which are also very cute with it. So let me do a quick turnaround. I also am not wearing any shapewear, which you guys know I'm not a huge fan of shapewear, especially in the summer, springtime when it's hot already. The last thing I want is another layer of clothing to have to, you know, worry about and sweat through, if you will. So this would be another cute dress for a graduation. I could wear this to work with a jean jacket or a cardigan. Would be perfect for a date night. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see the details. So you can see it is just a Kelly green with white flowers. It does have the cute little knot here that does give some draping across the stomach area, which is a problem area for me. Under the arms is good. Everything is covered. There's no puckering here, which you guys know I have an issue with that. I feel like it does a pretty good job of defining the waist as well. Well, the waist, if you will. I mean, I know the waist is more down here, but for me, it's a little up here. I feel like it does a pretty good job of defining that for me as well. Little bit of a V-neck, but nothing, it's not showing too much skin, I don't feel like. So this one's cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. I love your all's feedback, so let me know. Okay, we have one more. We have the leotard. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the bodysuit. I don't know. I'm not a fan. I like the collar. The collar's pretty. The V-neck is cute. The little bow here is cute as well. I feel like it's not long enough for me. So like I feel like it's pulling down because there's not enough room between the shoulders and the crotch. I feel like it's like I need to pull it up more, and I can't pull it up more. I feel like the sleeves are just going to fall down, and it's very tight. Again, very pretty collar. The idea of it's nice, but it's not going to be for me. Just the fit's not right. I'm not even sure if the fit were right, if it were something that I would keep. Maybe. I mean, the stomach area doesn't look bad. I don't know. You know, when you sit down, would it look bad? I don't know. I feel like the boobs are squished. I feel like everything's kind of squished together. So it's kind of hard to get an idea of whether or not I would like it if I were to size up. I don't know. It's just Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get to some prices. All right, so let's grab the style note and see what Brittany has to say about this box. Hey Cindy, happy 25th Fix. Thank you for your engagement and feedback with the Fix preview. I hope you enjoyed the experience, and I cannot wait to hear what you think of these two pieces that you selected. I'm sorry that the majority of the pieces missed the mark. I've rounded out this fix with a couple of options for your upcoming weekend getaway, along with this lovely dress from 41 Hawthorn that would be perfect for your daughter's graduation. Let's dive right in and start with this Heatherly bodysuit. I know you were looking for something sexy for your getaway, and this bodysuit with its flattering heart-shaped neckline and open back is sure to be a match. The long sleeve also makes it perfect for this time of year. Pair with your favorite high-rise jeans and these DV by Dolce Vita heels. All my best, Brittany. Okay, so I've forgotten that I had even asked for anything in my note. I do have a weekend getaway coming up, and we have, like I said, 2 graduations coming up. So lots of stuff to look forward to around here. All right, let's talk some prices, and I'll give you guys some feedback, and let me know your all's feedback as usual. All right, so here we have the green dress. This one is a contender. I did like this one. I thought it was very cute and flattering. Of course, I always look back at the footage to see if I love it. This is by 9 BRITTON, and it is $58. Very reasonable. We have, this is the bodysuit she was referring to. This is not for me. It is very cute, very sexy, if you will. Just not for me. It is $42. The off-the-shoulder top is $36. That's very reasonably priced, very cute and very sexy as well with the open shoulder. And then finally, the purple dress that was a surprise hit with me, it is $74. Of course, it is. So I'm really debating between the 2 dresses mostly, if I keep anything. So let me know what your thoughts were on each of these dresses. If you liked them, if they completely missed the mark, how you would style them, all of that good information. You guys know that I love all of that stuff from you guys. I love getting your feedback, your fashion advice, all of the good stuff. So that's it for this Stitch Fix. I will see you guys soon. And if you're interested in knowing what these items over here are, these are from an Amazon Try Before You Buy stylist picks that will be coming up soon. So stick around for that. Please subscribe, like, do all of the things. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.